The president led Jubilee members in campaigning for their governorship candidate Joyce Laboso, even as the head of state pleaded for his re-election. And as Jeff Curry now reports from Bomet, Kenyatta described NASACO principal and Bomet Governor Isaac Ruto as a stumbling block to development in Bomet County.
Immediately after the Raila Odinga-led National Super Alliance left Bomet after the campaigns in Sotik, President Uhuru Kenyatta touched down in Bomet as the party's Bomet governorship candidate Joyce Laboso launched her election manifesto.
Tuchague mama wa kwanza kuwa governor katika historia ya taifa la Kenya.
We are going to focus on development. We are going to focus on giving the women water. The women that I have met in the villages, the only thing they talk about is when will we get over the burden of carrying water on our backs.
In the county, Bomet Governor and NASACO Principal Isaac Ruto has been campaigning on the platform of his persistent defense of devolution. But President Kenyatta and other Jubilee Supremos now say the governor has been a stumbling block to national government-initiated development projects.
Kwa sababu mashindano ndio inasababisha lami ikose katika town. Kwa sababu kila siku ni kelele. Ati nani mkubwa kushinda mwingine? Kuna wewe mkubwa kushinda mwingine? Mkubwa katika taifa la Kenya ni mwananchi. Hakuna mwingine mkubwa.
In her manifesto, Laboso cites agriculture, clean water supply and jobs for the youth as the key pillars in her governorship bid.
Hii Stego Tea Factory yenu hapa, serikali itatoa shilingi milioni 500 tuweke kwa hiyo factory.
Apart from the tea industry, the milk industry is a very vibrant industry in this Bomet. And we want to see, yes, the other day you were in Sotik launching the nitrogen plant. We've also got the KCC plant right here in Bomet. We want that industry to become vibrant.
Tukiwa sasa na governor ambaye ameweka mipangilio ya vile mbegu ya kisasa itaweza ifikie mkulima. Sisi kama serikali ya kitaifa tuhakikishia ya kwamba hii KCC yenu hapa Sotik tutaipanua ndio maziwa yenu isiwe inamwagika.
The number of registered voters now stands at 325,000.
Tarehe 8 mwezi ujao, kutoka hapo tuungane tupangie William moja, Ruto moja, sio mbili.
In 2013, President Uhuru Kenyatta was voted in overwhelmingly in the county of Bomet, garnering 93% of the total votes cast against 5% of Raila Odinga. Well, this time round, President Uhuru Kenyatta is not leaving anything to chance, visiting the county barely a day after NASA flag bearer Raila Odinga left the county. Jeff Curry, KTN News from the county of Bomet.
32 days to the general election, and IBC Chair Wafula Chebukati's executive